Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, releasing everything that no longer serves you. Relax your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel the support beneath you. Notice gently where your body is touching the surfaces beneath you. Let your shoulders soften. There is nothing to hold right now. You can fully rest, release, and relax into this moment. Allow stillness to happen effortlessly. You are safe. You are right here, right now. Soften your body, even a little more. Let your breath find its own slow, easy rhythm. Notice that this moment is already whole. And so are you. Exactly as you are. Stay here as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, return slowly, gently to the room, filled with light, ease, and comfort.